Time for a buzz again. So Hyte not only sent A&M their Silverwolf PC case, but they also sent us their Silverwolf keycap set and deskpad bundle. Again, thanks boss for letting me have these. If you've seen my last video, you would know that I don't play Star Rail, but I did spend like $400 on 2 keyboards, and I've been wanting to replace the keycaps on one of them. Oh, right here I was trying to do the thing where, you know, you put the box on top and the keycaps like magically appear on the keyboard, but it didn't work, so I had to do it one by one, and wow, these keycaps are actually really nice. I remember talking to someone who helped design these, and they not only spent a lot of money on Star Rail, but also on keyboards, so they definitely know what makes a good keycap set. I love the gradient look they went with, and the hot pink symbols and keycaps give the set that extra pop. Of course, the set has a number of symbols referencing Silverwolf being a quantum gamer. I especially like the one that's just, you know, her face. I'm not a fan of the Japanese text, but that's just me, and I appreciate that it's in a font that matches the 8-bit game aesthetic they were going for. Oh, and I almost forgot about the deskpad. It's also surprisingly nice. It's really big and soft, and my mouse glides through it no problem. And of course, you got Silverwolf's face and thighs to pat on when you're bored. It also says you lose, which, you know, yeah. Well, time to end the show with a typing test. Please don't bully me for my typing skills.